Gotta close my vent. Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be doing a pack my competition dance bag with me. My competitions start really soon, so I'm going to be packing this huge bag that I take to comp with me every single year. And as you can see, when I was younger, I decorated it, and I just went to Dollarama and I went crazy and I bought all of these little jewel things, and I can't get them off, and a lot of them actually came off, but that's okay. I think that they make this kind of ugly thing look a little bit better. I don't know. It has 3 main compartments, I guess. It has this big compartment, then you have this little thing just comes out, and then it has this bottom one which I fit most of my shoes and my costumes in there. So I thought it would be a really good idea if I showed you guys how I pack this bag, because I know that a lot of you guys are dancers and you are competitive dancers, and I thought it would be cool to do it vlog style. I do have a vlogging channel and it's called Second Sadie, so if you want to check that out, I would love to have you over there. Oh my gosh, my sweater matches the thing. Didn't even plan it. That's embarrassing. Good lighting. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my laptop and I'm going to make a spreadsheet of all the things I need to pack in my bag, so that I literally have every single thing I need. If there is a zombie apocalypse, I'd be prepared. So I have just finished making my list, and not gonna lie, it took a long time. I have 4 main categories. I have makeup, costumes, diabetes, and other, but for now we're gonna start with makeup. So I usually can fit all of my dance makeup in this bag, and I got this bag from either Target or Walmart, and I'll link it down below. But I just have like all of my makeup essentials in here and some extra things, so I'm gonna put this in the top part of my bag. If you have a dance bag, you know that your dance bag smells like hairspray and anxiety. I'm gonna start packing it with stuff that I need a lot at competitions. So I'm gonna start with my makeup. So I'm just gonna put that right there. So now I'm going to move on to other stuff like hair and everything else. I started packing these 2 compartments, and these are like the compartments where I keep most of my hair stuff and like little things that I don't want to get lost and that I'll probably need really quickly. So in here I have a bunch of bun pins that are all tangled up, and I didn't really feel like untangling them. Then I have some bobby pins in here, some Q-tips. I have my dance choker and some other like hair pieces in here, my earrings and some hair elastics and a hairnet. So I put some of the things that I need for my hair and stuff like that in this little see-through bag so I can see everything that I have. And in here I have these donut bun things which I use to make buns sometimes, and last year I had to make like 2 buns like this. It was really funny, but I have these things. Then I have some hairspray, extra strong hold if you know what I mean. Then some tissues, a disgusting hairbrush. I have an extra contacts case, extra contacts, eye drops, because there are so many times where I've been in a competition and then my contacts have been acting up and I literally can't see, but I don't have any glasses or any contacts. And then I have hair gel. This is the Indestructible 48-hour power gel. I think it worked really well last year, but I don't know if it's crusty now because it might have been open. Then I have static guard, and this might be like something that you want to buy. And basically if you have, say, a ballet costume that is like a tutu and it's like out here, you don't want it to get staticky, you can just like, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to like twirl around and then you like spray it on the skirt so it doesn't get staticky. Then I have a comb and a mini mirror. The next little bag that I have is this bag, but just in a smaller bag. Okay, well I have even more tissues. I have some scissors so I can cut loose threads on my costumes. I have some band-aids, and I also have more band-aids in another place just in case if I forget where the band-aids are. Then I have 2 pens because we like to write on our programs. I have some nail clippers and an eraser. Guys, I cannot tell you how hot it is in here right now. Anyways, moving on to the next bag. It is smaller than this bag, but bigger than this bag. And this is where I keep all of my extra diabetes supplies. I just have like extra sights, tubes, lancets, strips, glucose, all of that, because you can never be too prepared. So the first one with all of my hair stuff right there. Then my diabetes supplies I'm gonna put right here. And this little bag of random stuff I'll put down there. So this is what the first compartment of my bag looks like, and it closes easily and I think it's super organized. Something that I'm going to add to my bag is this Love and Light hand cream because my hands get so dry at competitions. And I'm also going to be putting in this hand sanitizer. This is stuff that I probably won't use that often, but I always have just in case. So in here I probably have a repetition of stuff that I put in the other compartment, but you can't have enough stuff to be prepared. I have some random, what is this? Oh, these are nail polish remover pads. This is so useful because there have been so many times when I've showed up at a dance competition with nail polish on and we're not allowed to have that. Then I have Icy Hot. I have bad muscles in my back and I pull my back a lot. So this is super nice because you can just roll it on and it's not, you don't have to hold an ice pack on yourself or a heating pad. So this is really nice. I also have another contacts case, and in my dance bag, even though I am most likely going to be on the insulin pump for my diabetes, sometimes I like to bring the insulin pens just in case my pump stops working. I have some alcohol wipes. I have a sewing kit if my costume decides to break, which it did one, and that is all the stuff that I keep in this little thing. When I'm putting my dance shoes in my bag, I like to, instead of putting them like this, I like to tuck them inside one another. So I put them like this so they're always together and then I won't lose them. Currently in here I have my ballet shoes, my little like half elastic shoes. I have an extra pair of socks because this is what I wear when I'm not wearing my dance shoes. Then I have my jazz shoes and 2 pairs of those bear paws. And I'm also going to I'm also going to bring a t-shirt and a pair of sweatpants so I can wear those when I'm not wearing my costume. And I'm also going to put this little soccer ball thing in here because it's supposed to make your bag smell nice. So I'll put these down here. So some other things that I'm going to put in here are my costumes, my tights, extra tights, and undergarments like the special bra with like clear straps and stuff like that, and headpieces, a snack, and a huge water bottle. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!